Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best food processors that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Cuisinart. We tested the top 5 food processors, and the Cuisinart 14 Cup is the top rated of them all, which is why it came in first on this list. Design. The design of the Cuisinart 14 Cup food processor is very elegant, sleek, and simple. There are 2 levers for turning on and off/pulse the food processor. When you need to prepare a significant amount of food, the Cuisinart 14 Cup large bowl will help you prepare the food. This large capacity food processor will help you prepare food quickly, so don't worry if your guests arrive unexpectedly. It has a powerful 720-watt motor that easily kneads dough and cooks dishes quickly. You can cut the vegetables as needed using the chopping blade. Large and small pushers are used to push the vegetables into the bowl. It is simple to use and clean. The on-off buttons are strong to press, which is nice because a child can't easily press them when you're not in the kitchen. Another useful feature is that the small pushers include a small hole through which you may pour liquids or whatever else you desire during the process. At number 4. Breville. Are you looking for the best 12-cup food processor? Then, you've come to the right place. Breville's 12-cup food processor is ranked second on our list. The design of the Breville food processor is inferior to that of the Cuisinart 14-cup food processor. It comes with 3 buttons, the power button, the start button, and the pulse button. It has a sharp dough blade for kneading dough and the ability to add cold water and oil while the machine is running. The food processor chopped the veggies into the desired shapes in a short amount of time. You may cut the vegetables thin or thick by setting the thickness of the shredding disc. The thickness of the vegetables can be fixed anywhere between 0.33 mm and 8 mm. The food processor has a fantastic feature. It has a safety brake mechanism that stops the S-blade if the lid is unlocked when the power is turned on. We may keep all of the food processor's parts in a separate basket. For the quick process, it comes with a powerful 120-watt motor, and it is free from BPA plastic. You can also use the Breville mini processing bowl to grind small amounts of materials. Using the different discs on this food processor, you may do multiple functions. It includes 5 discs: shredding disc, slicing disc, julienne disc, French fry disc, and emulsifying disc. You can prepare a variety of restaurant-style recipes with the help of the Breville 12-cup food processor. At number 3. Ninja. Next, we tested the Ninja food processor, and this is one of the more sophisticated food processors. The Ninja 9-cup bowl is ideal for various recipes, while the Ninja food processor bowl is good for storing cookie dough. With a 1000-watt motor, the Ninja professional food processor can rapidly prepare even the most difficult items. You can effortlessly shred carrots, slice vegetables, make sauces, and make the dough. It comes with suction cups for ideal standing that won't shake, move, or fall. This smart food processor includes 4 IQ programs and 3 control speeds. It has 4 buttons: chop, puree, dough, and disc, and you can produce food rapidly with just one touch. On the top of the food processor, there are 3 control buttons. Low, high, and pulse control buttons can modify the speed as desired. It also comes with a food pusher to place the cheese or vegetables. You can slice the vegetables to the desired size and thoroughly knead the dough. This food processor has a lovely design and allows you to produce food with only one touch. One of the best features of this food processor is the strong lid, which prevents food from leaking. The Ninja also offers a recipe guide with this machine to have some fun with it. In addition, this good food processor is BPA-free and simple to clean. At number 2. Oster. The Oster Total Prep 10-cup food processor with double blade is highly powerful for chopping, shredding, slicing, as well as kneading. With the versatility to chop anything you need is what we all look for. There are two speed plus pulse settings which provides complete control to process foods with precision. The machine weighs just 7.7 pounds, so it's easy to move and store when you don't use. The 4-button controls are large and simple to use, and the bowl fits onto the base easily and doesn't require much strength to lock in. The motor is a 500-watt motor, strong enough for processing food. The mouth food chute is 5-wide chute and it has a food pusher as well. The most impressive feature about this machine is the reversible slicing and shredding disc. It comes with 10-cup capacity with a locking lid. The Oster food processor is known for its performance, versatility, and durability. Oster 2-speed food processor offers you compact storage. Everything is packed in the bowl for easy use, and storage, and organization. Our experts tested the food processor and confirmed that it performed well while chopping, slicing, kneading, etc. The slices are consistent and fine while slicing a potato. The large feed chute made inserting the potato easy. Mixing a cookie dough is also quite easier. It effortlessly mixed butter and the sugars, and when the flour is added, the motor worked strong and combined the dough smoothly. At number 1. Cuisinart. The Mini Prep Plus 24-ounce processor is ideal for small meal preparation tasks, from slicing herbal products to delicately milling hard cheese. Its flexibility stems from the unique auto-reversing blade, which allows the Mini Prep to handle complex and soft food products in the 24-ounce bowl. In addition, the Mini Prep Plus, intended in Italy, is as simple to clean as it would be to stare at, with such keep wiping touch foam and dishwasher-safe detachable portions. The blunt side provides a vital trimming area for grinding seasonings and other solid food products. Pulse activation offers ultimate control for pinpoint accuracy of chopping and grinding. The potent 250-watt engine performs fast and hard to complete any simple task quickly and easily. The Mini Prep Plus processor requires little storage space and can be stored tidily on the desk or in a cupboard. The food must not extend more than 2/3 of a way back up the centralized location of the blade arrangement after processing. While using the chop feature, pulse action is ideal. 2 to 3 vibrations are frequently sufficient. Whereas the machine is working, you could also add a mixture of oil, water, or flavoring. Once creating sauce or veggies, example, you might like to add oil, and when making frozen yogurt, you might want to add heavy cream or liquor. Pour the mixture into one of the cover's small openings. As you handle it, the meal will adhere to the edges of the bowl every once in a while. So stop the process from removing the meals. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.